It's day 3 of the 24 days of Vlogmas with Katie. So welcome back, guys. Today is a lovely, simple one for you. I want you to stop and get rid of the idea that everything has to be made from scratch. Now, this is today in a food direction, but please do not put yourselves under the immense stress and worry and anxiety that every single thing on your Christmas dinner or during Christmas Day or a Christmas Eve meal has to be made from scratch. It is perfectly fine to buy a packet of stuffing mix and maybe add in a bit of your own sausage meat and mix it all together. It's absolutely fine to buy pre-made side dishes. It's absolutely fine to buy either a part of a dessert, maybe like a meringue nest, and add your own toppings, or in fact, just buy the whole thing. I love a chocolate Yule log, but I'll never make it myself. The supermarket ones are just fine. Mums especially, and dads, your kids are going to remember you sitting down with them on Christmas Day, playing with their toys, unwrapping the presents. They're not going to remember how amazing your roast parsnips were that you cooked for hours and made sure they were beautifully coated in honey. They're not going to remember that memory. They're going to have the memory of you playing and being together on Christmas Day. So take away that stress. It's fine to buy store-bought. Let yourself go and enjoy it. Enjoy every minute. I'll see you back tomorrow for day 4. Bye.